So for this easy little sword build tutorial, we will need 2 of these like larger support beam thingies. I'm not sure like the name of them, but I know they come from the night crate. Then we're going to need 3 of these. I want to have 1 a different color for the handle, so it's not just like the same basic color, so it's not too boring. And then we're going to need some rocks, preferably these larger ones, so it looks like it's coming out of the ground. Then we need 2 of these littler support blocks. Then for the stem of the handle, we're going to go with these like 2 lanterns right here. And to finish it off at the end, we're going to put this at the end of the handle. I kind of like this one just because it has like the fire. You can really use any other one, but I think this one looks very cool. Okay, let's just take one of these, put it like here. We're going to give it like a little tilt so it looks like it was thrown into the ground. Okay, we're going to take the other one and put right on top of it, just like so. Then this isn't where they're going to go, but we're going to put both of these support things just so we can put these 2 support beams on top of it so it's easier to do. And it should look something like this. We're going to want the one that's going upwards a little higher just because of the tilt. So we'll put this on top of here. Then we'll give it a tilt just like that. Then we'll take the other one, put it right up here, just like so. Then we can take these out of here. We'll use them for later. I guess we can add our rocks. We'll put it like right here so it looks like it was like, you know, thrown into the ground and like has like a bunch of rubble, or it's just like a sword and a rock. Okay, then we'll put this over here, just kind of fill it in a bit. Okay, let's start with our handle. So let's put this up here. All right, then let's get our 2 lanterns for the stem of the handle. Let's put them on the side here. Okay, let's take the second one and put it up here on the other side. And then for our last piece, let's put this at the end of our sword like so. And boom, there you have it. Even though the colors don't really match well on this, I still think it looks pretty cool. And this whole build really only consisted of like 12 different parts. But if you guys do like this type of content, make sure you comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya!